This way, you get crisp feel. You can actually push a little harder on the clothes instead. But I'm assuming as you continue with the game, we can upgrade all this later on. Like either getting a better ironing board or better iron, however. Cool. Finish that. Just want to get the tutorial done with it fast. We can go into like in depth about the whole game. In the meantime, check out its price list. Now, when I first saw the screenshot of this from the app, I assumed it was doing it based off per item. From the looks of it, you got the laundry here, maybe this dry cleaning. I'm assuming something delicate and household items. Typically, in the real setting, this will be similar to someone doing like a small bag, a medium bag, and a large bag, having a fixed price on the bag, so it's not doing it by the pound. Most wash and fold up-off spots do it by pound, like $1 a pound, $1.50 to 25. However, depending on your market, it's usually about a pound. But there are people who do it by the my dude's waiting. My bad. I'm over here talking. Here you go, Seth. Alright. It's always a way to make more tips from your trusty customers. Now, okay, ironing, removing fur. Now, typically in the real world setting, ironing will be an additional fee. That's not a tip fee. Now, removing fur and lint and things like that be an additional tip from a customer. So this is just a better presentation. The ironing part in the real world setting, that will be additional fee. But I wonder if we can change that in the game in some way or fashion. Okay, we close 10 p.m. The other reports can't be made. This is like the back end operations of the business. When you finally get a point where you actually can focus on operating the business versus working in the business. But right now, when you start off, we're just working in the business and working on the business at the same time, essentially. First tab, access the phone. Cool. Got it. So let's claim what we gotta claim. Cool. Tutorial done.